Okay, I finished all my duties now. I can finally playing Taleland Railway. Let's drive this red box called Reggie. Of course I know that it is called box tank, but it's evening right now and I'm a bit sleepy and I can be a bit stupid sometimes. Let's couple to that truck over there. Another player is Spawn, another Reggie. For the first time I see player who don't know how to switch the points in Taleland Railway, and you don't saw it, okay? Okay, now we at Paris Tramway, and someone is driving one of my favorite engines here, Puddingham. I have no idea what is Widley doing off the rails, but it's not supposed to be like that. We are deleting him. And now let's go to this shed. William and Widley. Something very strange happening to Widley. For some reason, if you want to go forward, you need to press S, the button that's mainly used to go backwards. Don't worry, Widley, I know what can help you. This is turntable. We are spinning around on this turntable so long that it's already evening. It's kind of boring on Paris Tramway, so I'm leaving this location. Right, we're at NYX Harbor right now, but anything loading properly, and we like flying in space, but it's really not that bad in my opinion, but I'm here to drive my favorite engine of all time. You're probably wondering who it is. Is everything alright? Okay, let's see what we have here. We have Champion. Yeah, we have Crowley. This is the engine. And here is... Wait. Elon Johnson? Does anyone want sandwich? Yeah. Crowley in his full beauty. I think Adam's radial tank is the most elegant tank engine of all time, and that's because Adam's radial tank is probably my favorite tank engine, and that's why Crowley is my favorite engine in Taleland Railway. Well, it's kind of sad that the Taleland Railway don't have any schools class. Bruh. Motherfucker. Finally, we arrived at Aprica station, I suppose. This is Lady Annie, the most hard engine to drive. That's why I'm going to delete her. And this is Eliza, the 14XX. Let's spawn her and drive a bit. Bruh. You've gotta be kidding me, right? Eliza, Lady Annie, Reggie. It is a peaceful night at Jasper Shed. Every engine is asleep, especially Jasper Hall. But I'm going to drive this. Puddingham, the Atlantic tank engine. Taleland Railway own design. Let's put the lights on. Something is wrong with that lamp on the buffers. Okay, it's finally lights up. Now we need to wait our turn to use a turntable. There was a two irises stuck there. One of them is disappeared and the other is derailed. Perfect. Now it's our turn. I absolutely have no idea what we're going to do with Puddingham. Where that strange name came even from? Like Puddingham. What a dumb name, really. But it suits this engine. It's an experimental one, I guess. But I do wish this is like a real life class of tank engine. I think I played just enough. And I'm a bit tired, so goodbye everyone, I'm out.